You will love the features of this 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This cleverly crafted Trailblazer delivers convenience, comfort, and style in a fresh, modern package. Fold flat seats let you make the most of this small SUV's surprisingly spacious interior. And you'll enjoy the journey more than ever before thanks to connected touchscreen infotainment and driver assist safety tech. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Elevate your daily drive in this boldly styled Trailblazer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.